Hey, Mama. All right, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. Pretty hot out here today. So I'm gonna show you outside here. Go ahead and start milking Mama Goat here. And she actually stole the pin that I use to hold her in. And as you can see, she's been getting used to this whole milking setup from the last video. But she's doing really good. And here, I'll go ahead and show you. Look, so now she just puts her head through all by herself. And she starts eating, and she does really good. So it makes it a lot easier for milking her. And then you just want to lock her in. That way she doesn't pull out while you are milking her. Is that good? Yeah, that's good. Chowing away. All right. Okay, so now that we got Mom up there and got some food going in her belly, gotta find that pin. I don't know what she did with it. Where'd you put the pin, huh? She stole it. So let's go ahead, and first thing we'll do is clean off her udders. And you can see, oh, don't fall off, Mama. You can see how big they've been getting and how swollen, because it's full of milk because we keep milking her now, so she keeps producing. So I clean them off really good. Like I said, I just use baby wipes, gets them nice and clean. We were using the foot ropes. We were using the foot ropes to hold her in, but we'll see how she does today. If she starts bucking and stuff, then we'll hook them up. They actually make little Velcro straps you put on both their feet. But, all right. So we're using the ½ gallon. She's normally been producing about 500 milliliters so far. We are gonna need to buy a new pump soon because this thing, it's not working anymore. I mean, it works, but you just gotta know when to let up so you're not being too aggressive on her teats. And because that can burst capillaries and everything, and you don't want that. So we're going to use the one. She's just easier to do with the one. I tried it with both, and maybe, you know, in a couple weeks I'll go ahead and try both, but she seems to do pretty good with just the one. All right, so we're going to take it and we're going to put it on, and we're going to start pumping. And you can see how it sucks it in. And then you just keep pumping. Pump away. Yep, and then you can start seeing the milk flow. See the milk squirting in there and coming down the hose and emptying into the bottle. She's doing good. And she's just snacking away. Other than the little bugs biting her, she's doing okay. And you can squeeze to go ahead and force out more milk in here. That's flowing good though. It's flowing really good. Just takes a little time to get them used to this whole setup. Eventually I want to get a battery operated pump. That way I don't have to hand pump all the time, but it's not bad. And from the milking, you can actually see the size difference as the one udder goes down. And that other one's full of milk. And this one's still got a lot coming out. And same thing, and you can see the size difference. This is the one we just milked, and that's the other one we didn't. So let's go ahead and get this one on here. And you can see it just spraying the milk down in there. She likes going all the way over to this one side. See it pouring out there. Going right down in there. You can see how both her udders went down. Okay, so she's all done with that other side now. So she's all set now. And we got two cups. Got 2 cups worth, or 500 milliliters. And the good thing is this goes directly into here, so this is nice and sanitary on the inside. So you don't have to worry about stuff on the outside. That's one good thing about this. And then you just take the cap off, replace it with a new cap inside, and then you have your fresh goat's milk. We're gonna start making some cheese here soon. So we get about, say, 4 cups or 1,000 milliliters from her a day. So within 2 days we'll have a full amount, and we'll go ahead and we'll make some goat cheese, and we'll show you how to video on that and how to do it. And it's really delicious, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, let's give this treat, see if baby Chungus wants some milk. Okay, we'll go ahead and take her out of this too, because she saw me getting up with the milk and she wants to get out now. So all you normally pull the pin that I have in there, opens up, and she slides right out, and she's all set. Although she'll probably go back in there just to eat more corn. What are you doing? You're not gonna drink your own milk, are you? You gonna see your son? You gonna come see your son? Who is that, Chungus? Is that your mama? Hey, Chungus. Oh, mama's milk? Oh, yes. Oh, look at, she's saying that straight from her. She's trying to give you kisses. Aww. Here you go. You miss your mama's milk? Oh, I guess the turkeys want milk. That's different. I've never bottle-fed turkeys milk. You guys like milk? Wow. Come here, Chungus. Oh, I want to see his mama. Here you go, buddy. Hey, Chungus. Is that delicious? That delicious mama's milk? Yeah? Yeah, don't worry, Mama. I'm giving him some of your milk. He knows you still love him. Here, Chunky. Hey, right here, buddy. Hey. Here you go. Aww. Well, you guys got to be separated. You can't be together anymore, unfortunately. Here, Chungus. All right, I'll let the turkeys. Oh, turkeys like goat milk. Wow. Jeez. Wow. You guys are going nuts. They really like goat milk. All right. What we'll do, I'll go ahead and pour the rest of this in their container. All right, so stand by for the next one. We're gonna go ahead and do a how to make goat cheese. So once again, hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, right, Mama and Piggy? All right, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo. Bye, guys.